New Mexico exam prep. Page 12. C. Inactivation of a license shall take place at the time a license is received and stamped at the commission office or upon receipt of written notification to the commission by the qualifying broker or broker in charge of termination, whichever is earlier. D. The voluntary inactivation of a license will not prohibit the commission from revoking or suspending future licensing. E. Inactive licensees must comply with commission rules, including but not limited to disclosure that they are licensed, payment of renewal fees, and completion of continuing education hours. Other situations affecting license. A. If a license applicant or license broker is not in compliance with a judgment and order for support, a complaint for non-payment of support must be verified by the New Mexico Human Services Department. B. An active licensee may regain license status by presenting a statement of compliance to the New Mexico Human Services Department. C. A licensee has 30 days to submit a statement of compliance from New Mexico Human Services Department after notification of delinquent child support. 1. If a licensee does not provide a statement of compliance within 30 days, the commission may take action to suspend the license. D. A licensee can expect to pay some miscellaneous fees. 1. The maximum fee the commission may charge for a license issuance is $270. 2. The maximum fee that the examination company may charge for a test is $95. 3. The fee to transfer a license is $20 for the associate and not to exceed $200 for the brokerage when moving offices. E&O insurance. A. E&O insurance is professional liability insurance. This policy ensures the licensee against liability for innocent or negligent mistakes in a real estate transaction. There are exclusions to coverage, and fraud and misrepresentation are not covered. B. The New Mexico Real Estate Commission requires all licensees to carry E&O insurance. It requires policy limits of not less than $100,000 for an individual claim and not less than $500,000 aggregate limit per policy, and that the deductible shall not be greater than $1,000. C. The Commission contracts with a group carrier to provide insurance with an annual premium not to exceed $500 for a licensee. Licensees can elect to carry either the group policy or equivalent coverage by the carrier of their choice. Licensees who fail to carry or provide proof of coverage will have their license placed on inactive status. D. A policy can only be denied if the premium is not paid. E. E&O insurance is not required for inactive licenses. Page 13. Unit 3. Real Estate Commission Regulations. 15 items. Qualifying broker. Affiliation and responsibilities. A. Affiliation. 1. A qualifying broker is responsible for all real estate activities within the brokerage. 2. A qualifying broker may serve concurrently as a qualifying broker for more than one brokerage. 3. A New Mexico qualifying broker may, by written agreement, engage the services of an associate broker and qualifying brokers, provided that the terms of such agreements are consistent with the responsibilities of associate brokers and qualifying brokers as set forth in Part 16, period 61, period 16, period 9, and 16, period 61, period 17, period 9, NMAC. 4. A qualifying broker may serve as qualifying broker and associate broker for different brokerages simultaneously, provided that there are written agreements executed specifying the responsibilities and scope of authority that the broker has for each brokerage. B. Responsibilities in addition to all other requirements imposed by law. 1. Conduct the real estate brokerage business under the trade name and from the brokerage address registered with the commission. 2. Prominently display the qualifying broker's own license and the licenses of all other affiliated associate brokers from the brokerage address registered with the commission. In the event of a virtual office, this requirement is met by displaying a legible photo or scanned image of the licenses on the brokerage's website through a link labeled Real Estate Licenses. 3. Have in the office and available to all affiliated associate brokers a current copy of the State of New Mexico Real Estate License Law and Rules Manual.